Do you feel the vibes?
Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss about the force and pressure. You know that this is the physics portion. So we should discuss this portion. You know what is force? Actually the push or pull acting on a body which tends to change its shape or rest or motion. So that is known as force. You can say that force, a push or pull of a body is known as force. Okay. Now in this chapter I want to discuss these terms like what is force, what is the direction of force, what is the SI unit of force, so that you should aware about these terms. So according to that you can revise this chapter. Okay. Now you know that direction of force, actually the direction in which a body is pushed or pulled, so that is the direction of force. For example, if the body is sliding from the above, then the direction is downward. Okay. So that direction will be like that, and you know that if that body will be moved from one place to another, then the force which opposes the motion, so that is known as friction force. You know that is the next chapter. Okay. Now the force are of two types actually. What are the two types of the force? Contact force, okay, and non-contact force. Okay. The name itself gives its definition. Contact, जब दो चीज़ें contact में आएंगी, so it is contact force, and the two without contact में कोई attraction होगा, force of attraction, so that is non-contact force. Okay. Contact force means contact में muscular force, contact between the two things. So muscular force, mechanical force. Okay. So these are the contact forces. Got it? So you can write that muscular force is contact force. These are the different types of the forces: frictional force, muscular force, mechanical force. You can write that. So contact force are like muscular, force, then frictional force, these are the different types. So types of force, you can write types of force: muscular, frictional, and mechanical also. Okay. Two bodies are contact with each other, thus that means that is the contact force. Okay. So we can say that contact force is that force or the forces in which the two interacting objects are in physical contact with each other. You can say that. ठीक है, physically they are contact with each other, तो उसको बोलेंगे हम contact force. Okay. उसमें फिर आई हैव टोल्ड यू मैग्नेटिक फोर्स है, उसमें मैग्नेट दूर से अट्रैक्ट करेगा तो नॉन कॉन्टेक्ट फोर्स है. ग्रेविटेशन में भी दूर से अट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में दूर से अट्रैक्शन हो रहा है. सो ये सब नॉन कॉन्टेक्ट फोर्स है. एंड कॉन्टेक्ट फोर्स में आपका मस्कुलर फोर्स आ गया. क्यों? द फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय द मसल्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. ओके. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने ये डस्ट उठाया, सो अब माई मस्कुलर फोर्स इज वर्किंग ओवर दैट, सो दैट इज मस्कुलर फोर्स. टू बॉडीज आर कॉन्टेक्ट विद ईच अदर. ठीक है. मैकेनिकल फोर्स, द फोर्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ मशीन, दैट इज मैकेनिकल फोर्स. एंड फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स, you know that the force that opposes the motion of an object. For example, if the body is moving, that opposing force is there, so that opposing force is the frictional force. Okay. So you can write the different types of the non-contact force also. What are these non-contact force? These are gravitational force, electrostatic force, static force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. Okay, and third one is not friction force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. These bodies are not contact with each other. And next force you can say that that will be non-contact force, that is magnetic force, because magnet is, if you are putting the magnet, then it will be attract the iron by the, means without physical contact it will attract the iron. So that is also non-contact force. So magnetic force you can write that, magnetic force. So these are the non-contact force and these are the contact force. So non-contact force, how we can define the non-contact force? We can define the non-contact force means the forces which do not make a physical contact, okay, with the body and act through the space. Means there will be a space between these two bodies, they are not interact physically, ठीक है, physically contact में नहीं होंगी ये bodies. So gravitational force, you know that the force with which any masses or objects pull each other. So that is gravitational force, means that everything which is present on the earth, they will be attract with each other. So this one is the gravitational force. Okay. Then next one is electrostatic force. That name itself give its definition. Actually the force exerted by a charged body, electricity, charged body, charge is developed in that body, okay. So that will be charged body on another charged or uncharged body, so that is known as electrostatic force. For example, if you are rubbing the balloons, okay, then you can just stick to the wall, they will stick with the wall easily by rubbing them. By rubbing they will be charged, so charged body will be attracted by the uncharged or charged body. So that is electrostatic charge. Next one is magnetic force. You know that the force exerted by the magnet. If you will keep the magnet, then it will attract the iron. Okay. So these are the different types of the force. You can just learn these contact and non-contact force. You know that if the force is exerted, then what are the different effects of force? Actually, if body is moving, then the motion of the object will be because of the force. Means force can move the stationary object, force can stop the moving object, force can change the direction, force can change the speed of the object, okay. And these are the different effects which are caused due to the force. Now what is the SI unit of force? So SI unit of force is Newton. Newton is the SI unit of force and it will be denoted by capital N. Got it? So SI unit of force is Newton. Got it? Now next you want to I want to discuss the other things that will be like gravity. Do you know what is gravity? Actually the force with which the earth attracts object towards itself, so that is gravity, okay. And gravitational force you already know. Now what is pressure? Next is pressure. What is pressure? Actually pressure is defined as force per unit area, okay. So pressure is defined as force per unit area, or sometimes it will be thrust per unit area. Force upon area is pressure, okay. So pressure is defined as the force per unit area. Got it? For example, if we are lying, if anybody is lying on the floor and one is moving on the floor, okay, so whose pressure is more? Actually whose area is more, then pressure becomes less, and the area becomes less, then pressure becomes more. It will be indirectly proportional. Pressure is indirectly proportional to its area, surface area. okay, and pressure is directly proportional to the force. Got it? And you know that that if the pressure is more then the area is less. Have you seen that you can just see the needle from here, it's very pointed needle will be there, so it will be produces more pressure as compared to the blunt needle, or we can use the knife. If knife is sharp then it will produce more pressure, the vegetables can cut easily, आसानी से आप vegetables काट लोगे, लेकिन अगर blunt होगा तो it will not cut. Why? Because the pressure becomes less, because the area is more. So area is more, the pressure becomes less, and if area is less the pressure is more. अगर एक लेटा हुआ आदमी है, एक चल रहा है, so whose pressure is more? जो चल रहा है, the moving person has more pressure as compared to the lying. Okay, दूसरा, if somebody is walking and one is stand like me, मैं खड़ी हूँ, एक चल रहा है, so whose pressure is more? That person who is moving, because when we are moving, so at a time we will just step one leg, we will step out and one will be on the earth. एक ऊपर रखते हो आप और एक आपका पैर है वो ज़मीन पे रहता है, दूसरा उठा लेते हो. सो वन स्टेप एट ए टाइम, एक बार आपका एक पैर ही रखा जा रहा है ज़मीन पे, सो लेस एरिया इज़ देयर. इट मीन्स प्रेशर इज़ मोर फॉर द मूविंग पर्सन. और अगर एक स्टैंड है तो टू लेग्स आर देयर, स्टैंडिंग पर्सन की 2 legs है तो एरिया मोर है तो प्रेशर बिकम्स लेस. Okay, so these are the different terms. Now what is the SI unit of pressure? SI unit of pressure is, SI unit है Pascal. Okay, SI unit of pressure is Pascal. We can find out with the help of this formula also. कैसे? force we will just Newton से define करेंगे. What is the SI unit of force? Newton है. न्यूटन है एरिया की मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो हमारी यूनिट न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर भी होगी. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर इज द यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर. ये भी बोल सकते हो आप, प्रेशर की यूनिट न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर है. ठीक है, एंड पास्कल भी बोल सकते हो. ओके, मीन्स हाउ मच फोर्स इज एक्सर्टेड ऑन दैट पर यूनिट पर सरफेस एरिया. सो फॉर सरफेस एरिया में कितना है, दैट इज 1 न्यूटन. सो 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू द पास्कल. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट दिस न्यूटन पर स्क्वायर को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो आप, मैथ्स में सीखते हो ना, पर का साइन हटा दिया, देन विल राइट न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ये न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर, दिस इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर. ओके, नॉर्मली पास्कल भी डिनोट करते हैं. So in this chapter you can learn about that force acts only when 2 or more objects interact with each other. Okay, then a force can start or stop a moving body. It can change its direction, it can change its speed, it can change the shape, and it can change the size of the object also. Got it? So these are the effects of force. Okay, now forces these are of 2 types, that may be contact force and non-contact force, that I have told you. Okay, one the force in which the 2 interacting bodies or objects are physically contact with each other, then the force is said to be contact force. Okay, that is muscular, frictional, mechanical force. These are 3: muscular, frictional and mechanical force. So these are the contact force. If you can say ki that body is not physically contact with each other, or the 2 objects are not physically contact with each other, then force is said to be non-contact force. So that are magnetic, gravitational, electrostatic and magnetic forces. So these are the non-contact force. Okay, and last there will be the atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? The atmospheric pressure, the pressure exerted by the weight of air on an object, or the pressure which is exerted by the atmosphere. So that is atmospheric pressure. So why we are here stand easily in that atmosphere? हम लोगों को आसानी से क्यों खड़े हो पा रहे हैं? Because our force, our pressure that is inside our body, so fluid is present, blood is present, so that is the counter pressure or counter force that will be balance the atmospheric pressure. ठीक है, so atmospheric pressure को balance कर रहा है, that is the pressure which is inside our body, so that's why we are safe, otherwise हमारी body है वो crush हो जाती. ठीक है, so that you can just understood. Or effect of force can be measured by a physical quantity that is known as pressure. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. ठीक है, if we increase the area of contact then pressure decreases. Got it? Area of contact increase करोगे तो pressure decrease होगा. If area of contact is decreases तो pressure is increases, because it is indirectly proportional. Pressure is indirectly proportional to the area of contact. ध्यान रखना इस बात को. Okay, so and at last I want to explain the liquids and gases. They also exert the pressure. Actually solids also exert the pressure, but solids में the pressure exert only in the downward direction. Why? Because it contains the weight of the object, mass of the object will be there. So because of the mass, so नीचे की तरफ ही downward ही pressure is exerted, but liquids और gases में the pressure exerted in all directions. Okay, so ये अपना physics का chapter हो गया.